So we're really excited to be joining you at the Collaborations Workshop. So I'll introduce Wellcome and my team. So basically the Wellcome Trust is a large philanthropic trust. We're based in the UK, but we do fund work worldwide. And we are really focused on improving outcomes around human health. So there's 3 areas that we specifically focus on, which are global heating, mental health, and infectious diseases. And also my team is the Data for Science and Health team. And what we are really keen on doing is actually focusing on data and on software and technology that affects research around human health. And that means not just actually having it as a supporting function, but recognizing that software and data are their own beings and that they need to be supported and funded and well done in order to actually affect these human health related outcomes. So we are really excited to be coming to the Collaborations Workshop because it means that actually we will be able to meet some of the people who are really interested in cutting edge software sustainability and making sure that when tech and software around research and again, and potentially affecting human health is done, that we make sure that it's actually something that's going to be maintainable long term, that it's going to be reusable, and that it's actually going to be well done, and thinking about pathways, for example, for sustainability for the software in the long term.